First of all, here are the needed components. Arduino Uno, NEO6M GPS module with antenna. The navigation update rate of this GPS is up to 5 Hz with an accuracy of position of 2.5 meters circular error probability and 2 meters CEP for SBAS. A breadboard and some male-to-male wires. First of all, attach the antenna to the GPS module. Then, make the following connections to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino to the breadboard and GPS module. This is the final schematic of the setup. In order to be able to turn on the Arduino and to upload the code to it, connect the Arduino to the laptop. Please find a link to the code in the description. Also, please make sure to choose the right COM port when uploading the code to the Arduino board. The data provided by the NEO6M GPS is in the form of NMEA, which is the National Marine Electronics Association. So, we use a formula to transform this data into decimal values in order to read these values easily. If you are trying the GPS in your building, please make sure to step outside and run the code, as GPS modules only run when you are in an open space. After choosing the correct COM port, run the code and press the serial monitor to be able to view the longitude and the latitude values.